Hi everyone! Welcome to the new episode of ActiveCollab Monthly Recaps. This time around, we bring you a more intuitive way to reorder task lists, improved task filters, and easier login when you're on the go. Buckle up! A few changes were made to the project's Tasks tab, and we'll start with how you can arrange your task lists. Now you can drag and drop them quickly in whichever order you like. Those who prefer the column view are quite familiar with rearranging task lists this way. Task filters. The second big change in the list view is the filtering option, which has been moved to the project header. Now, you can choose as many criteria as you need to find what you're looking for. If you have any highlighted tasks, you'll be able to filter assignments by priority as well. It's also easier to clear all the filters and start over. Magic Link Login. Great news for all those who have a hard time typing their passwords on their phones. Now, you can just tap a button and log in via the email that you'll shortly receive. This new option also allows all those who use a Google account to access the ActiveCollab mobile app without switching to password login. That's it for the month of May. See you in the next episode of ActiveCollab's Monthly Recaps.